Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to a&aadventcalendar. So today we are the 12th of December. We are, aren't we? 2, 4, 6, 8, 11, yes. We are the 12th of December. We are going to open, guess what number? Yes, number 12. Such a dick. Oh God. Okay, we have, oh, that's lovely. That's lovely. Don't know what accent that is. But we have Fairy Glare, Iridescent White. So this is a fine iridescent, oh my God. Fine iridescent glitter. So it's better if it goes out of focus so you can see the iridescent. I hope you can see that, but that is bloody lovely. I like that a lot. Okay, got the swatch stick. You know what we do. Oh God. Oh, it's stuck to the brush. I love this. This one is very pretty, but the camera ain't gonna show how beautiful it is because that's just the way it is. So take my word for it, people. This is beautiful. It's got like a red, it's like a red iridescent. Oh God. Let's just fill that little gap in. Pretend that never happened. See when it goes, I think when it goes out of focus. There you can you see it? A really bad swatch. I'm so sorry. I feel I'm gonna sneeze. That is very, very pretty. I like that one a lot. Gorgeous! We are a Fairy Glare, Iridescent White. Beautiful. Love that one a lot. Right, that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. You will see me tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.